Okay, today we're going to do a quick video on how to replace the light bulbs inside your refrigerator. This one is a KitchenAid. KitchenAid, Whirlpool and Maytag are all owned by the same parent company. So chances are that your Whirlpool and Maytag refrigerator, if they take the same kind of light bulb, the procedure will be very similar. So let's see how it is. You open it up and you can notice that both of our bulbs are out. They're dimming and they're out, so I have the replacement bulbs here. I'll put a link to that. So the way you replace the bulbs is there's this plastic holder here. You just push it and light it out. When you get that out, you can see the bulbs here. It's difficult to see. You can see them flickering, so obviously they're out. So I'm going to take out one of them. This is pretty standard. Unscrew the light bulb. Some people recommend putting the refrigerator off, so for safety reasons, if you would like to do that, please do that. And so as I said, I looked up the kind of the old bulb. It is an E26 5-watt 5000K refrigerator LED bulb. I have the exact replacement. Again, I'll put a link to the one I have, E26. So simple, screw it back in, and hopefully now the light should come on pretty bright. And there you go. You now have another good light. I'm going to do the other one for completion. I have the old bulbs up here. Put the second new one in. And as you can see, it's pretty easy to do and gets you back to your full brightness. There you go. Second one is back on. We'll take care of the old bulbs. And then just simply slip this plastic cover back in till you hear it click. And that's all it is. You're done. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give us a like, subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. If you have comments, again, this is for a KitchenAid refrigerator that we have here, but your Whirlpool and your Maytag should be very similar. Thanks for watching.